Welcome to the BreachLock platform. This demo will walk you through the scan status and scan schedule features on the platform, as both of these components are part of the scanning process. Along the left is a series of features available on the BreachLock platform. We will start by clicking on the scan status. With scan status, users will be able to view the scan, asset details, and status for a scheduled or on-demand scan. It can be domain discovery and data breach scans on a domain, a web scan on a subdomain, and/or a network scan on an IP address. Users will see the scan details for automated rescan or vulnerabilities. Above is a drop-down menu called Select Status. Users will see a number of types of status labels. This includes finished. These are the scans that are complete. You will see in progress, and these are the scans that are in progress or are still running, whereby the user can view the scanning process in real time. The percentage of scan completion will show right next to the asset in the dial. In addition, you will have scans that are scheduled. These are those scans that have been previously scheduled. Next, you will see those scans that have an error message. That is if the scan encountered some type of error. Next, we will have pending. These are the scans that are pending and perhaps need further attention. Next, we have failed. Failed means that the scan did not finish successfully. And finally, we have terminated. These scheduled scans were terminated and will never get picked up during the upcoming frequency. In the drop-down menu, the user can filter and toggle between status to see which scans finished, failed, are in progress, etc. For scan details, the user can click on the scan itself to see activity details of the scan and see the scan status in real time. Also, license consumption details or usage are shown to the user. In addition to that, you can click on the asset to view the subdomain and vulnerabilities. This view gives a cumulative view of all the vulnerabilities related to that asset. So you will see the subdomain and then the vulnerability. The vulnerability will include a CVSS score, criticality from low, medium, or high, whether it is newly discovered or rediscovered vulnerability related to the asset. As mentioned in the overview demo, a newly discovered vulnerability can be discovered multiple times because every time it is another asset, so multiple assets can be impacted by the same vulnerability, but are different assets. Basically, a new vulnerability seen for the first time. And then if you click on activities, you can see the details for the asset being scanned and its status. Now let's go back to failed scan. For failed scan, the user has the capability to reinitiate the scan on the asset. Go to the far right under Action, click on the ellipses, and click Retry. Another example is to go back and click on those scans that are in progress. For those that are in progress, you can either terminate and in some cases pause the scan status. Now let's move to the scan schedule as part of this demo. All scheduled scans on domains, subdomains, and IP addresses can be viewed within this feature. Status of the schedule and last scan data on the asset can also be viewed. In this case, we have a demo domain discovery scan that was terminated and a demo scan that is scheduled. Under Actions, the user can either pause or terminate the scheduled scan. To pause a scan that has been scheduled, simply click on Pause and click Yes. At that point, you will see that the scan has been paused. To resume the scan, go back under the action, hit Resume Scan Schedule, and click Yes. And then you will see that the scan is now rescheduled. To terminate a scheduled scan, again, click on Terminate Scan Schedule, and it will be eliminated from the upcoming frequency. Again, Resume Schedule is not available for terminated scans. This concludes the scan status and scan schedule features on the BreachLock platform. Thank you.